Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes with Chime. Chime makes it straightforward to access your tax documents, primarily through their app or website. You'll need to gather your account statements, which detail any interest earned or other relevant financial activities. This information is crucial for accurately preparing your tax return. We'll walk through finding these documents and understanding what they mean for your filing process. Once you've logged into your Chime account, look for any Form 1099 INT. This form is issued if you earned more than $10 in interest from your Chime savings account. It's essential for reporting your interest income to the IRS. Beyond Chime documents, remember to gather all other income statements, like W-2 forms, and any records for potential deductions to ensure a complete and accurate tax filing. With all your documents in hand, you can now begin preparing your tax return. Whether you use tax software or a professional, accurately input all your financial data, including any interest reported on your Chime Form 1099 INT. Take your time to review every section of your return. This careful review helps prevent errors and ensures you're reporting everything correctly to the tax authorities. After a thorough review, it's time to submit your tax return. Be sure to file before the deadline to avoid penalties. If you're expecting a refund, the IRS typically processes direct deposits within 21 days of filing electronically. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other helpful deals. We hope this guide helps you confidently file your taxes with Chime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.